Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieve this faux bangs with this bun. So let's just jump into it. Alright, so just a quick disclaimer, I am wearing clothes in case you think anything different. Anyway, so I'm starting off with a failed wash and go. Yes, you know the drill, sometimes our hair fails. Anyways, what I'm doing here is I'm just bringing my hair up just above the crown and I'm putting my hair into a loose hairband. Again, it's important that it's a loose because I tried this hairstyle with a tight bun and it just didn't look the same. And here I'm just showing you that my hair is not totally slick at the back. And then here what I'm doing is I'm just whipping my head back, giving myself a little bit of whiplash. And then the natural hairs that fall forward, that's the hairs that I'm going to leave out for the faux bang. So here I'm just separating the hairs and pretty much deciding what hairs I want to leave out. So I decided just to tighten up my bun just a little bit because it was a little bit too loose. And I'm just checking to see if I like this bun. And then I noticed that there was too many long parts and my faux bun was too wide. So I'm just here separating the long pieces and just kind of figuring out what hairs I want out exactly to be part of my bangs. Alright, so I'm satisfied. So to secure my bun, I'm just going in with some bobby pins and I'm just going to go ahead and just shape it to my desired look. I'm just pretty much flipping it over and I want it to be a high bun and just popping in some pins. I think I use about 4 pins in total and I'm just shaping it, making sure that it's where I need it to lay. So here I'm just pulling out some hair from my back because I just wanted to add a little bit more of a touch to this look. So I just pulled out some hair from the back and then I pulled some hair from the sides of my hair just to give it a little bit more of a curl effect. You know, we're trying to finesse this hair. And then I took my Eco Styler gel and my toothbrush and I just went ahead and slicked, you know, just laid my edges down just so in case the wind blows, hopefully it doesn't. In case the wind blows, you know, our edges are laid. So I just do that to both sides. So I just went in with this comb just to make sure I blend out that gel a little bit so it's not so harsh. So yeah, I'm just making sure that everything is in the right spot. And that's pretty much it, guys. So simple and easy, but there you have it. A faux bangs and a bun. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!